Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect We Chargepoints to your EV account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and ensure you have your We Chargepoints access credentials ready. Begin by locating the We Chargepoints app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Once the app is open, navigate to the login page. Enter your registered email address and password. Tap the login button to access your account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After logging in, look for the Settings or Account tab within the app. Select the option that says Connect EV or Add Vehicle. Choose your electric vehicle brand from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your vehicle identification number or VIN. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid connection issues. Once entered, tap on Next to proceed. The app will search for your vehicle to confirm the connection. If prompted, accept the terms and conditions to finalize the pairing process. You should receive a confirmation message once your EV is successfully connected. To ensure everything is working correctly, check your account dashboard for your vehicle status. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app for assistance. Congratulations, your We Chargepoints account is now connected to your electric vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.